2-year-old twin girls were burnt to death at their home in Grand Spence and Andrew last night. The cause of the fire is still being investigated. Here's TVJ's Kirk Wright with that story.
An emotional mother coming to terms with the loss of her children. These are cries no one but her can understand. This mother's tears are being shed after fire extensively damaged the house in which she lived and took the lives of not one but both her girls. The girls, twin babies, only 2 years old, were said to have been left in the care of a relative while their mother, Afine Rogers, went to work. The fire is said to have started sometime after 7 Thursday night, but how it started remains a mystery. A resident in the same yard at 72 Grand Spence Road said a strange smell alerted her to what was happening.
But early on they were spraying the mosquitoes, so I think somebody said, oh, that's it, they come back. So when I lie down, when I look up in the ceiling, I see black smoke. So I ball out to my sister-in-law and said, Bella, what are you doing at the kitchen? But I do not hear she answer. So I went to the kitchen and look. When I look, I see orange smoke and black smoke. So I started to say, fire. And run out the house and say, somebody fire.
Residents have begun to clean up and salvage items from the rubble. Meanwhile, the councillor for the Waterloo Division, Winston Ennis, is making preparations for the 21 people left homeless from the fire.
What we are doing, as I said, is to clean out the place first. We want to clean out, get out all the debris, and after that then we will assess and see what amount of material they will need, and we'll get them some material so they can start to rebuild. For the time being, however, we are still getting them some food stuff, clothing material, bedding material.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.